Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Learner. Today we will be discussing what is C programming language, who invented C, why we use C programming language, and how to use C programming language. What is C programming language? It is a general purpose high level programming language. We already discussed what is high level programming language in the previous video. A high-level programming language is a user-friendly programming language. That means user can easily modify or he can easily create a program using high-level programming language. Examples for high-level programming languages are C, C++, Java and Python, etc. So if you are writing a program in high-level programming language, you can easily modify the program or you can easily update your code in high level programming language. Why? Because it is entirely written using English words and sentences. When we compare a high level programming language with a low level or assembly level programming language, the coding is very much easy. That's why it is called user friendly programming language. Then next, who invented C programming language? The C programming language was invented by the scientist Dennis Ritchie in 1972. He was working in a company, American Telephone and Telegraph Bell Labs. So at that time, he invented C programming language. Why we use C programming language? C programming language is easy to learn. We already said that it is a high level programming language. So user can easily understand the programming language. The code user can easily understand. And it is a foundation language. Foundation language means many other compilers or programming languages are developed using C. That is why it is called a foundation language. And many other operating systems, for example Windows and many database applications, web browsers, video games and device drivers, all these applications are developed using C programming language. That's why C is called a foundation programming language. Then next, how to use a C programming language. You can easily program using a C compiler in your machine. If you are using a Windows machine, you can download Turbo C application and program using that compiler. Or if you are using a Linux like Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, like that, you can install the GCC compiler. You can type the command apt-get space GCC. So it will install the compiler. And using that GCC command, you can compile a C program. Now let us look at how to write a simple C program in Ubuntu operating system and how to compile that program using GCC. Here I am going to use the compiler GCC. Either you can use GCC or CC in your computer system. So for that you need to open the terminal application. So in that terminal application you have to type the VI file name. VI is a text editor. You need a text editor to type your program. So here I am going to use the text editor VI. So VI test.c. Test.c means test means it's a file name and the file extension should be .c. So here we can type the program #include stdio.h. Later I will explain this, what is the importance of these statements. So here we are going to print a message welcome to C in your computer screen using a simple C program. So we have typed the program. Next step is to compile your program. Either you can use the CC compiler or GCC compiler. Here I am going to use the CC compiler. So to compile the program you have to type cc test.c. Then for the execution purpose you need to type the command /a.out. So after typing that program that command you will get the output welcome to C in your screen. So in order to edit that program, suppose if you need to modify that program, you need to reopen that file again. So vi filename.c. So here I am going to give a simple /n statement. This /n means new line character. So just to see the difference between earlier output and the output obtained now. Here welcome to C is printed in a new line. That is the difference. That is the usage of /n. Here you can see the file name test.c and ear.out. Ear.out is your object file. That is, after compiling your C program, you will get an object or out file. That file name is ear.out. Your initial file was test.c. So this is the simple method to compile a C program in Ubuntu machine. Suppose you couldn't install the compiler in your computer system. You can run your program using online C compiler. So I will show you the method how to compile or how to run a program using online compiler. So here you need to open the Google and type online C compiler. So you will get many links. So just open the first link obtained. There you can see a sample code already written there. Just delete all that code. Then type your program. Here also I am going to type the simple program just to print a message in your computer screen. So for that you can use the printf statement. Then just click the run button shown in the top. After clicking that, you can see the output in the next window. So this is the simple method to run a program using online compiler.